Welcome to Hani English Stories. Today's story is called My Mother's Secret Recipe. Everyone loved Anna's mother's famous apple pie. But Anna had always wondered about one thing. What was the secret ingredient? Let's find out. Now, let's begin. When Anna was a child, everyone in her town loved her mother's cooking. But there was one dish that people loved more than anything else: her mother's apple pie. Every Sunday afternoon, the smell of warm apples and cinnamon filled their small kitchen. Neighbors often stopped by. "Is the pie ready yet?" they would ask. Anna's mother always laughed. "Almost." The pie had a golden crust, soft apples, and a warm, sweet smell. Everyone who tasted it loved it.
Yummy!
And everyone asked the same question. "What is your secret?" Anna's mother always smiled. "That's a secret." Anna used to laugh. "Mom, I'm your daughter. You can tell me." Her mother would shake her head. "Maybe one day." When Anna grew older, she left her small town to go to college. After college, she found a job in a big city. Her life became busy. There was always something to do. Work, meetings, deadlines, friends, and new responsibilities. She still called her mother every week, but sometimes the calls were very short. "How are you, Mom?" "I'm fine, sweetheart. How about you?" "I'm busy, but I'm doing well." "Don't forget to eat." "I won't." Then Anna would say goodbye and return to her busy life. She always planned to visit her mother, but there was always a reason to wait. Maybe next month. Maybe after this project. Maybe when I have more time. One day, she suddenly realized that she had not visited home in almost 2 years. So she finally decided to go back. When Anna arrived, her mother was waiting at the front door. They hugged for a long time. "You look tired," her mother said. Anna laughed. "And you look exactly the same." Her mother smiled. "That's because I still eat my apple pie." That evening, Anna walked into the kitchen. The room looked almost exactly the same. The old wooden table was still beside the window. The same blue cups were on the shelf. And on the kitchen counter, there was a warm apple pie. Anna smiled. "I've missed this." Her mother cut a piece and placed it on a plate. "Then you should eat." Anna took a bite. The taste immediately brought back memories from her childhood. She remembered sitting at that table. She remembered her mother singing while she cooked. She remembered neighbors coming to the house. She remembered the smell of apples and cinnamon. Then Anna looked at her mother. "Mom, I think I'm finally ready." Her mother looked confused. "Ready for what?" "Your secret recipe." Her mother laughed. "After all these years?" "Yes." "Are you sure?" "Absolutely." Her mother smiled. "All right." The next morning, Anna found her mother's old recipe book. It was thick and covered in flour. She opened it carefully. There were recipes for soup, bread, cookies, and cakes. Finally, she found the recipe for the famous apple pie. Anna smiled. "Finally!" She looked at the ingredients: 4 apples, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a little cinnamon. Anna read the recipe twice. Then she looked at her mother. "That's all?" Her mother nodded. "That's all." Anna frowned. "But there must be something else." "What do you mean? Some special ingredient?" Her mother laughed. "Like what?" "I don't know. Something special." Her mother simply smiled. "Maybe you should make the pie yourself." Anna followed the recipe carefully. She measured everything. She cut the apples. She added the flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Then she put the pie in the oven. After a while, the kitchen began to smell wonderful. When the pie was ready, Anna proudly placed it on the table. She cut a piece, then she took a bite. She looked at her mother. "It tastes good." Her mother smiled. "But," Anna sighed, "but it doesn't taste like yours." Her mother laughed softly. "Maybe you need more practice." Anna tried again the next day, and the day after that. Every pie was delicious, but none of them tasted exactly like her mother's. Finally, Anna gave up. "I don't understand." Her mother sat beside her. "What don't you understand?" "I used the same ingredients. I followed the recipe, but it still doesn't taste the same." Her mother smiled. "Maybe the recipe is not the secret." Anna looked at her. "Then what is?" Her mother didn't answer. Instead, she opened the old recipe book. Anna looked through the pages again. This time, she noticed something she had never seen before. There were small notes written beside the recipes. Beside the soup, her mother had written, "Make this when someone is feeling lonely." Beside the bread, "Give half to the neighbors." Beside the cookies, "Best served with a good story." Anna slowly turned the pages. Her mother had not only written recipes, she had written memories. Anna suddenly remembered her childhood. Her mother never baked an apple pie only for their family. There was always someone else: an old neighbor, a tired worker, a lonely student, a family that needed a meal. Her mother always shared her food. Sometimes she gave away the whole pie. Anna looked at her mother. "Is that the secret?" Her mother smiled. "What do you think?" Anna thought for a moment. Maybe the secret is sharing. Her mother smiled wider. "That's part of it." That afternoon, Anna baked another apple pie. This time, she didn't worry about making it perfect. When the pie was ready, she cut it into pieces. She gave one piece to their elderly neighbor. She took another piece to a young family next door. Then she brought some to a tired delivery driver who had been working in the neighborhood all day. Finally, she sat down with her mother and ate the last 2 pieces together. Anna took a bite. Then she smiled. "Now it tastes different." Her mother raised an eyebrow. "Better?" Anna nodded. "Yes." "Why?" Anna looked at the pie. "I think I finally understand." Her mother waited. Anna smiled. the secret isn't in the apples, or the flour, or the sugar, or the cinnamon. Her mother said nothing. Anna continued, "The secret is the reason you make it." Her mother smiled. "And what is that?" Anna looked at her. "To make someone feel loved." For a moment, neither of them spoke. Then her mother reached across the table and held her hand. "Now you know." Anna stayed with her mother for several weeks. During that time, they baked together every Sunday. They talked, they laughed, they shared stories, and they gave the apple pie to other people. One Sunday, Anna asked, "Why didn't you ever tell me the secret?" Her mother smiled. "Because if I had simply told you, you might have understood the words, but you wouldn't have understood the meaning." Anna nodded. She finally understood. Some lessons cannot be learned from a recipe. They have to be experienced. When Anna returned to the city, she took the old recipe book with her. Her mother gave it to her as a gift. "Take it," she said, "but don't forget the most important part." Anna smiled. "The secret is not in the ingredients." Her mother nodded. "Exactly." From that day on, Anna started baking apple pies in her small apartment. She baked for her neighbors, she baked for her friends, she baked for people who were having a difficult day. And whenever someone asked, "What is your secret ingredient?" then she answered, "There is no secret ingredient." "Then why does it taste so good?" Anna would cut them a piece of pie. "Maybe you should share it with someone." And somehow, the pie always tasted better when they did. Years later, Anna still called her mother every Sunday. Sometimes they talked for hours. Sometimes they only talked for a few minutes. But every Sunday, Anna made an apple pie. And every Sunday, she shared it with someone. Because her mother had taught her something important. Love is not something you keep for yourself. It becomes more meaningful when you share it. And sometimes, the most important recipes in life are not written with ingredients. They are written with memories, with kindness, and with love. Thank you for listening to My Mother's Secret Recipe. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English along the way. Remember, sometimes the most important things in life cannot be found in a recipe. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Hani English Stories for more meaningful stories to help you learn English. See you in the next story. Bye for now.